Looking for a reliable motherboard for your next PC build without breaking the bank? Today we're checking out exactly that, a model that offers a lot when it comes to features and bang for your buck. Stick around until the end to find out if this board is the right partner for your system. Let's start with the design. This board comes in the handy micro ATX form factor, perfect if you want to build a compact PC without giving up important connections. The build quality feels solid. The heat sinks are simple but functional, and the layout is designed so installation is nice and straightforward. Processor support is excellent. Whether you're going for an i3 for office tasks or an i5 or i7 for gaming, this board supports current Intel CPUs up to the 14th generation. Overclocking isn't possible here, but that's normal for this chipset. It's clearly aimed at users who value stability over extreme performance. Memory is installed via 2 DDR4 slots, and you can go up to 64 gigabytes, more than enough for gaming, video editing, and everyday work. With support for speeds up to 3200 MHz, you'll get solid performance, especially paired with modern Intel CPUs. For storage, the board offers a fast M2 slot plus 4 standard SATA ports. That means you can install a speedy NVMe SSD and still add HDDs or more SSDs for plenty of space. Connectivity is quite good for a budget board. HDMI with 4K at 60 Hz, a D-sub port for older monitors, and multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 for fast peripherals. Networking is handled by gigabit LAN, and the 7.1 channel audio chip delivers clear sound, great for headsets or speakers. Safety features like surge protection, reinforced PCIe slots, and a corrosion-resistant I/O panel round out the package. You also get ASUS's usual software tools like Fan Expert and Armory Crate for easy fan control, updates, and settings management. Of course, this board has its limits. No built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, fewer USB ports than pricier models, and the power delivery isn't designed for very power-hungry high-end CPUs. But for the price, the overall package is hard to beat. So if you want a solid, no-fuss motherboard that supports the latest Intel CPUs, offers plenty of storage options, and stays budget-friendly, you should definitely keep this model on your list. So what's good and what's not so good about this board? Pros: affordable entry into the current Intel platform. Supports a wide range of CPUs up to 14th Gen M.2 slot and 4 SATA ports for flexible storage options. Good safety features and solid build quality. Easy installation with a clean, well-organized layout. Cons: no CPU overclocking support, no built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Fewer USB ports than higher-end boards. Power delivery not suited for extreme high-end CPUs. If you're looking for a compact, affordable, and reliable motherboard that covers the essentials, this model is a very solid choice. It's especially well suited for mid-range gaming PCs or work machines. Check out the deals linked in the video description to get the best price. And don't forget, if you liked this review, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more exciting hardware reviews.